Now come to the topic indicators. Since acids and bases, some are very corrosive in nature and not easy to touch them. So we use some type of substances to identify their presence, their nature. So these substances which are get used to identify the given substance as acidic, basic or neutral. So these substances are called indicators, or we can say the indicators are the substances which helps us in identification of the given substance as acid, base or neutral substance. Now the indicators, they are of many types: naturally occurring and man-made indicators. Litmus solution, litmus paper, it comes in the form of litmus solution and litmus paper. Litmus paper, so this is of two types: red litmus and blue litmus paper. Red litmus paper. Red litmus paper, it turned blue in the base. When the red litmus paper is added in the base solution, then it turns blue. And the blue litmus paper, when it is added in the acidic solution, then it turns red. The next indicator is China rose. China rose is the flower which is red in color, or in Hindi it is called gudhal. Now this flower extract, so this is used as indicator. Now in acidic solution it turn pink, and in basic solution it turn green. Now the third indicator is turmeric powder, turmeric, haldi, that we use in the kitchen. So it is also a natural indicator. In the acidic solution it remains yellow, but in the basic solution it turn red, reddish brown. Okay, when some curry is fall on your cloth and the soap is applied, then it turn red due to turmeric indicator. So children, we can understand that indicators are the substances which show a change in color with acids and basic substances. The change in color is intense, means it can be very easily seen, and very small quantity of indicator is needed to see the change, 1 or 2 drops. So they are needed in very less quantity, and the indicator don't affect the nature of the solution to be tested. If the solution is acid, then it remain acid, it don't get change, and if the solution is base, then it remain basic, it don't change its nature. And the commonly used indicator in the laboratory are litmus, phenolphthalein and methyl orange. In the table, the color change is given. For example, litmus, acid turn blue litmus to red, and base, in the base blue litmus remains blue, and base turns red litmus to blue. Okay, now methyl orange, acid turns methyl orange pink, and the base turn it yellow. Phenolphthalein, it remains colorless in the acid and changes to pink in the base. Turmeric remains yellow in the acid, but base turns turmeric indicator to red. And the last one is China rose. The acid turn China rose indicator to dark pink, and the base turn it to green. So by the color change, we can understand the nature of the substance. Now children, by the use of indicator, we can understand the nature of the substance. This is acidic, basic or neutral. And next topic is pH. pH, this tell us the strength of the acid, how the acid is strong acid or weak acid. Similarly for the base, the pH, this is the potential of hydrogen ion concentration, and the pH scale, so this vary from 1 to 14, means its reading varies from 1 to 14. and if the pH of the solution is between 7 to 14, then it is basic in nature. Greater the pH value, more stronger the base is. And if the pH is 1 to 7, then it is acidic. Lesser the pH value, stronger the acid. And the pH 7 indicate the neutral solution, neither acidic nor basic. For example, pH of water is 7, so it is neutral in nature. Children, the next topic is universal indicator. A universal indicator is a combination of dyes and that shows a change of color over a range of pH, and these are also available as strips of paper. For example, pH paper. pH paper is an example of universal indicator. Now, change in color, this can be matched with a standard color chart to find the pH. Now, in the figure, the colors, different colors is given. The red color means if the color is green, then it is neutral, and yellow and dark pink and then red. So these show the acidic nature. And if we move towards the right hand side, then the color changes from green to blue and then dark blue and then purple. Darker the color, stronger the base. Okay, and here also in the red color range, darker the color, the stronger the acid. So this can be understood by the use of universal indicator. Universal indicator give the strength of the acid or base.